One young boy from the way. He done time, but it come without play. Try to tell him that crime don't pay. Plus he's on edge cause they know where he stay. He was outside trying to get roads taped. All the chilled in Netflix with Bay. But now it's 10 toes on the J.
Damps.
It only costs you $650. Only costs you $650 to make 6 figures. The course is out $650 for 6 figures. You'll be able to profit off of your investment. You just do 1 unit actually, you'll profit. And the second unit, oh, you're clear, that's all green. For me right now, the biggest thing is the power, the freedom, the peace of mind I have to create the future I want to create, to offer you guys a course that could definitely change the course of your career. I just feel like at this point in my career, I just want to return everything that I learned and earned with all that knowledge I acquired over the years that made me who I am today, a person who truly feels successful. I just want to give you guys all that back. You know what I mean? I keep saying, I keep repeating, $650 to make 6 figures, $650 that'll put you into that position where you can make 6 figures. This is 6 figures worth of knowledge. Every time I learn, I'll earn, and then I'm gonna return it back, because that's what I feel is the most fulfilling thing for me right now. It gives me the peace of mind to create, the freedom to do and experience things that I love. I'm actually a source of energy. I've committed to this life. It goes beyond the word entrepreneurship. This is just a different feeling. I've committed to success. No matter how heavy the waves come at me, when I know I'm gonna create something, I'm gonna keep swimming under. I'm gonna keep swimming under. And people can say what they wanna say. And when it's my time to rise, I won't say nothing. I won't look back. I got blinders on. I won't look back. You know, I'm just looking forward. I'm creating that wave, and anybody who wants to surf, they can surf with me. You know what I mean? That's why I put this content out right now, because I want you to surf with me. I'm on a wave right now. I am a wave right now. And we're about to rise. And when you see us rising, jump on. You know what I mean? Jump on. I really want you to profit off of this. I don't want anybody to take this course and not apply it and not really take advantage of this, because I'm looking for real people that I can impact, real people that can run with me, real people that are trying to change their life. So again, $650 to make 6 figures. Link in the bio, link in the description. Let's get it, baby. Damps. Take crumbs, make bread. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Damps. Damps.